In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change chart colors on Tradingview mobile app. If you like your charts clean, high contrast, or simply tailored to your style, customizing colors on the Tradingview mobile app can make a big difference in how quickly you read price action and spot patterns. Start by opening the Tradingview app on your mobile device, from the main screen. Open any chart you want to work with. Once the chart is up, look to the bottom right corner and tap the settings icon. This is where all the visual adjustments live. Inside the settings, scroll down and select More Settings. This section holds additional options related to your chart appearance and behavior. After taking a quick look, use the back arrow at the top left corner to return to the main chart settings panel so we can focus on color changes. To adjust how your candlesticks look, go to the Symbol tab. This is where you control the appearance of the candlestick bodies, borders, and wicks. If you prefer something different from the default green and red, tap the color options to choose custom shades. Consider a palette that gives you strong contrast between up and down candles. For example, using a brighter color for up moves and a deeper tone for down moves can make momentum easier to spot. You'll see your changes previewed on the chart in real time. So take a moment to fine-tune body color, border color, and wick color until everything is legible at a glance. If you often trade outdoors or in low light, pick colors that remain easy to read under those conditions. Next, head to the Canvas tab to tailor the background and the grid. Here you can set a background color that suits your preference, whether you like a dark, neutral look or a lighter canvas. You can also adjust the grid lines to be more subtle or more pronounced, depending on how much structure you want behind price. If you prefer a bit of depth, switch from a solid background to a gradient. A gentle gradient can help the candle stand out without being distracting. As with the candles, focus on contrast and clarity. Your eyes should find price action instantly without the background competing for attention. Once your symbol and canvas choices feel right, you are all set. These adjustments make your charts more comfortable and consistent, which can help you analyze faster and with fewer distractions. Thanks for watching.